By the way, a case Lamb's family and many in the community have fought for. Our reporter Andres Gutierrez is live with more on what the family said today. Andres.
And Kevin, when Cameron Lamb was shot and killed behind this house on College Avenue on a December afternoon, they had a lot of questions surrounding his death. Now, 6 months later, they finally have some answers.
We are grateful that the Kansas City grand jury has issued an indictment against the officer responsible for the shooting death of Cameron Lamb.
Words of appreciation from a mother who has sought justice for her son from day one.
And I miss him so much. And I want to thank God for allowing me to be his mother, if only for a little while.
Laurie Bey and the rest of Cameron Lamb's family hired their own investigators to look into the officer-involved shooting that led to his death. They've had a hard time believing KCPD's version of events.
He was not perfect, but he was a good kid.
In the months since, supporters have rallied around the family, bringing their concerns in Lamb's death to the Board of Police Commissioners in February. Recently, more than 200,000 people signed a petition on change.org calling for charges in the death of the father of three. And Lamb's name mentioned at recent protests calling for accountability and criminal justice reform.
There's information that I still do not know regarding his case. I want justice to be served for my son.
Some of it delivered by the 7 men and women that made up the grand jury that led to Thursday's charges.
The indictments are a step in the right direction. State law makes it difficult to hold these officers fully accountable. We are now eagerly anticipating federal investigation and criminal charges.
And that does stem from a meeting that Lamb's family had with President Trump earlier this week, just before he signed an executive order on better policing practices. Reporting live in Kansas City tonight, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.